¡Viva Lupita!
Okay, this is Myrna's new look, guys. Okay, let's look at the detail.
I don't know what this is for.
Okay, let's see. Hey. Ay. Mira. Ay, ay, la virgen. Which control is which?
What, ¿Cómo se llama la canción del Waris de Michoacán?
Here, just put it on the TV.
That one.
This one?
I think.
Wow. Hey guys, welcome back to the video. We're gonna be doing.
Face that way.
Dude, straight teach you how to, I brought that memory back.
We're gonna teach you guys a tradition from our Mexico house,
No.
Later.
Good morning. It is Sunday, and we're about to go head out. That's Yadi. We're gonna go celebrate my Gma's birthday, so we're gonna have a little dinner. I mean, a lunch with the fam. I hope everybody's having a good day, and I'll see y'all in a little bit. So we have my mom here in the car. I have George and Yadi. Have you guys been here before?
First time.
Myrna, how do you feel?
Feel the bruises.
Damn, it looks like I'm taking pictures for the case.
Evidence.
For the evidence.
Recording. No animal was hurt during this video.
No animal? Wow.
Yeah, you know how animal cruelty?
Just calling you an animal.
So right here, look, we have Yachty. You guys don't know her, she's Yachty. Vlogger, the one that's behind the camera and she never wants to show her face. How do you zoom in?
I want to not show my face.
Not. Oh! We're about to eat. Oh, have no food. Hi. Anyways, I'm thirsty. Look at. Say something to them. Tell them subscribe. And how do you know?
Did you show my the birthday girl back there?
No, she's not facing this way.
That's nice. Sexy lady. Show my friend over here. She's very cruda.
Look at her.
She's very she went out.
Hey,
She got in a fight. She's the OG. She actually just came out of jail. We had to book her out, so she's super tired.
My friend said that.
So this is my food. I got chicken chipotle. Yadi got chicken a la diabla. Myrna got a wet burrito. Jenny.
Camarón a la diabla.
Ali.
Eventually.
So we're out here at the beach. Okay. What'd you find? You over here recording on a quarter? See what rock you got? What rock did you get now? Nothing. Okay, Andrea. Your selfie book. I'll have to get my ass up here. Yo no sé cómo lo voy a hacer de bajada, pero aquí estoy. Savannah getting the timer.
I'm gonna do like the 1 minute one.
Oh, look at the dog. It looks so happy. So we just went up that. If you guys can feel the wind up, it's so windy. But it's so cute. Our hair.
2,000 years later.
So we made it to Dave and Buster's. We're with Yadi. Oh my god, I'm like sore. Yadi, Gina, and Myrna. We're gonna go to the restroom. I don't know. Oh my god! Wait, you're not riding it?
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new.
Good morning and happy Easter. It is Sunday. We're gonna have a family day and I hope everybody's having a good day. I'll see y'all in a bit. Got here, we have Yadi, we have Rat, George. I added the Easter bunnies, me and Yadi. First of all, I got in a car accident, a little fender bender. Somebody hit me. Yadi, wait, I need your help. So I have the kids a few like eggs. Here, these are the eggs. Don't give them yet. Okay, Georgie and Rad don't want to wait for us. Hell no. Y que tuvieron pinche Mini Cooper. Rad said everybody take pictures in the snow. When you're from the valley and you don't get snow, this is snow for you. Cringe. This is how you know where the party's at with all the cars are all lined up.
Easter.
Ooh. Wow. Adi and Gina are gonna exchange their Easter basket.
Right now we're done. That's it.
Mine's sad.
Okay. Here you go.
Mine has no effort. Hella A for effort. So we're gonna get some Dally's poptails. You guys get them. Bring Jared. Get Jared. Get Jared. Jared. Are you guys gonna do it inside or? Oh, then let me go over there. We're gonna go outside right here to take some popsicle.
We have a gift for you guys.
Here, for you, for your birthday.
Oh.
Happy birthday, Lilia. Tenemos el regalo para ustedes de su casa. Por su casa,
I feel like if I were pregnant.
Miren que esta es la parte de Jared. Jared ni sabe qué es. Mando, ahora sí va a ser tu compadre. Ya van a llorar. Mira, Ricky, ya quiere llorar. Imagine they wanna cry. They go,
Aw, Jared. Damn, hella fucking quinceañera. Cheers.
One of 10, 1 of 10.
Can you put Ali, please?
Ali.
Hey, where's those sodas and stuff?
Just ate. Just finished eating. What'd you eat, Georgie?
Hey, 2 hot dogs and a tostada.
Hey, what did everybody eat? Gina?
Hey, 2 hot dogs and 2 tostadas. Wow.
Got the nopales that Rat will eat.
Showing him, man. Alright. I'm gonna walk out like
What
this.
you eating, Myrna? Let's see that first bite. Crunchy. They're trying to get the sneakers up in here with all those eggs. George doesn't want to do it. Trying to be all sneaky. Trying to be all sneaky. sí la avienta con ganas. Damn. Dude, rat hella.
You gotta be good on that one.
Hey, no, we can't trust nobody. Our job is to hide the eggs.
Hagan George first and then que hagan los seconds.
They're not watching though.
No, aquí está caliente. You were right, remember?
I'm like, where should I hide these?
God damn it, I fucking broke them all. I threw them all over.
Oh. Mando going hella hard like this a fucking riddle and shit. Okay, Myrna. Look at my ears. Huh? Here, you wanna hide the last two? Go ahead, stripper. Good, dude. Go, Ali. When there's only 2 kids in the family. Look at Jared.
Look at Ali. Gina, Yavi.
Look at him, he's like, whoa.
Ali?
¿Ya? ¡Órale! ¡Córrele, agarra palitos! Yeah, you can't look, you can't look. Savage.
Hey, pero tienen que ir bailando. Yeah, you guys are like hella like scared. Sí. Sáquenle. Vámonos.
Ali. Woo, 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 woo.
Pero baila bien, Ali.
No, mira.
Jared. Let's determine. Look at Ali's whole body. His whole body. Vamos a seguir. Pero deben de bailar.
Annette, no chaser, Annette. Chase it with the smile. With the smile.
Bailando, Nano.
Y luego pega el sol ahí.
Muévanla un poquito.
Sonríe, sonríe.
Por favor, pisen con cuidado.
Es que pues todos traen chanclas.
Dirty, got mine. So I am home now. I just got back from Walmart and I still have like confetti. I don't know if you guys, I still have confetti in my head. First of all, Rat, he literally like squished that shit in my head. I was like, oh my god, relax. You didn't have a good month because we're almost like at the end of the month of April. Like what? Where is the year going? Why is it going fast? But anyways, see you in my next vlog, and until then, I hope you have a good day.